In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can refer a friend on Temu. What you wanna do is you wanna head over to Google and search for affiliate Temu, head over to the affiliate program and make sure you sign up for this. Now it's completely free and they accept everyone, so just sign up to it. And once you have signed up, what you wanna do is you wanna get your special link. So if you scroll down, you'll see that I have 3 links. Now, the general link is the one that you want to be using. So you can click on this one to copy the link. And when you send this link to someone and they sign up and they buy something, you're going to get a commission. So if you want to refer them, what you do is you simply send them this link and they're going to sign up with it. And you can see all of these are for new users except this one, which is for everyone. So even if they already had an account and they use this one will still work. You can also head in here if your friend wants to be an affiliate as well, and you can do the exact same. Simply click on this button and you should have a link right here. Copy this one and then invite that one. So that is how you can refer your friend on Temu. Now I really hope you enjoyed the show and video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.